Good morning, students. I hope you are ready for today's lecture. So, in the journey to study the physical features of India, our next topic is Northern Plains. So, let's move about it. These plains lie to the south of Shivaliks, and on the east side, these plains are bordered by the Purvanchal. You can see how these are extending from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. This vast plain is extending about 2500 kilometer long and 250 kilometer to 350 kilometer broad from the Satluj in the west to the Brahmaputra in the east. It spreads over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. It is made up of the alluvium brought down and deposited by the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries. Now the question arises, how these northern plains were formed? Due to the uplift of the Himalayas in the Titsi, the northern part of the Indian peninsula got subsided and formed a large basin. That basin was filled with sediments from the rivers which came from the mountains in the north and from the peninsula in the south. These extensive alluvial deposits led to the formation of the northern plains of India. And the rivers in their lower course, due to the gentle slope, low velocity and huge deposition of silt, split into numerous channels known as distributaries and results in the formation of riverine islands. And these riverine islands you can see in the picture also. Majuli, it is in the Brahmaputra river. You can see in the map also that it lies in Assam. It is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world. Now let's talk about the division of these plains according to the variations in the relief features. As you can see in the picture, these plains, these are lying in the foothills of the Himalayas, and the very first feature is the Bhabar, then Tarai, the Bhangar and the Khadar. The explanations are there in the coming slides. Now what the Bhabar is? The rivers, after descending from the mountains, deposit pebbles in a narrow belt of about 8 km to 16 km in width, lying parallel to the slopes of the Shivalik. It is known as Bhabar. The next one is the Tarai, a narrow belt of a wet, swampy and marshy region to the south of the Bhabar belt. This was thickly forested region full of wildlife, but forests have been cleared for agricultural land. Then the Bhangar. It is older alluvium of the plains. Kankar and clay are found in this soil. It is not renewable frequently. It is less fertile and it is found away from the rivers. And as far as the Khadar is concerned, it is younger alluvium of the plains, so it is very fertile even. It is renewed year after year. It is found near and in the course of rivers and floodplains. It is fine one and it is more fertile as compared to the Bhangar. Now east to west division of the plains, you can see in the figure. The first one, it is the Punjab plains, then the Ganga plains and then the Brahmaputra plains. The Punjab plains, these are also known as the Indus plains, and the western part of the northern plain are formed by the Indus river and its tributaries. And there are five tributaries of the Indus river, and those are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. And the larger part of this plain lies in Pakistan, and it is dominated by Dobes. Dobes in the local language it is called Doaba, which means land between two water bodies or two rivers. Then comes the Ganga plains. The middle part of the northern plain, these are formed by the Ganga river and its tributaries, and it is covering a vast area. So, and the tributaries are the Yamuna, Ghagra, Kosi, Gandak and the Son. Then comes the Brahmaputra plains, the eastern part of the northern plain formed by the Brahmaputra river and its tributaries, and this plain or this river along with the Ganga plains make or forms the largest delta in the world, which is known as the Sundarban delta. So the Brahmaputra plains are, as mentioned, these are made of or formed of the Brahmaputra river and its tributaries, and the tributaries are Lohit, Dibang, Siang, Kameng, Subansiri, Dihing, Dhigu and Disa. I hope the division and the formation of the plains, it is very much clear to you people. Thank you.